No, teacher.
Okay,
No
now
No,
let's
teacher.
go
teacher.
to exercise
No, teacher.
1.2, which
No
is
teacher.
about methods of describing a set. So, methods of describing a set, how will you describe any set? That we will be starting here. And methods of describing set, there are three different methods of describing a set. Okay, one is the roster or tabular or listing method, another is the description method, and another is the rule or set builder method. So in this methods of describing a set, we have already understood. Sometime we write b equals to a e I o u in a curly bracket, and we consider that as a letters, vowel letters of English alphabet. So we say that, but sometimes like here we can see an example. A equals to 2357. 2357. 2 is also the prime number, 3 is also the prime number, 5 is also the prime number, 7 is also the prime number. So in a roster or tabular or listing method, we list out the elements. Okay, listing out the elements. How many elements are there? Suppose the question, I will be saying you the question, the set is the set of the prime number less than 10. If I say like that, then you will say what are the prime numbers less than 10. You will be just saying it to me, no? So the prime numbers less than 10 is 2, 3, 5, 7. That is the same thing we have to write in a curly bracket, and this method is known as the listing method or tabular method or roster method. Same thing, okay, same thing. We can define it by another way also, by the description method. In description method, we have to write in a curly bracket, and the question was set of prime number less than 10, and here in the description method you will be writing a equals to curly bracket prime number less than 10, like that you will be writing. Similarly, the same question can be written in another method also. Another method is rule or set builder method. In this method, we will be writing yak says that. Yak says that. Yak is. This is yak says that. This is says that. Yak says that. Yak is a prime number less than 10. Look, same question writing in three different ways. Same question. Okay, this is the question. Let me mark it with another color. Okay, so same question now, but this one question has been explained in three different ways, has been written in three different methods. One is this one is the listing method, which I have colored it red. Another is the description method, which I am coloring it orange, and another is also this a equals to, this is the rule or set builder method. So these three are the different methods of describing a set. Are you clear now? Three methods of describing a set.
Yes, teacher.
Okay. So in
Yes,
this rule
teacher.
or set builder method, we have to write yak says that always. Okay. But you can write any alphabet. You can write yak says that yak is a prime number, or you can write y says that y is a prime number. That also you can write, or you can write a says that a is a prime number less than 10. Anything you can write, any alphabet you can write, but simply in our understanding, yaks says that yaks and y are the very common alphabet that we use for the set builder method, but any alphabet we can use. There is no that compulsion rule that you have to use this thing only. Okay, so here are some examples I just want to show you. Like, write the following set by listing method. Listing method means we have to write the name of each elements, no? Look, question is saying the set of 12 Nepali month. So question is saying 12 Nepali months means we know that Nepali month starts from Baisakh, Jait, Asar, Sawan, Bhadra versus Kartik, Mangshir, Pous, Magh, Phagun, Chait. So that all we will be writing it here. So you will be writing A equals to any set you can write. Okay, set will be always written in the capital letter. You know that very well. So set A equals to Baisakh, Jait, Asar, Sawan, Bhadra versus, that all you will be writing. Since here is no space, so I am just writing here dot 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 up to Chaitra you have to write. Similarly, another question, first 5 natural number, what can be the natural numbers, tell me? First 5, okay, only 5 natural numbers. Natural numbers start with 1. So
One,
what?
two, three, four, five. One,
Exactly,
two, three,
1
four,
2 3
five.
4 5.
1, 2, 3,
So
4,
you will
5.
be writing 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5, like that you will be writing. So these questions is related to the listing method. So you can do it by the listing method. Another is the write the following set by the set builder or rule method. So when you talk about set builder or the rule method, then we know that we have to use yak sauce that. So let's talk about it. A equals to 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15. That means this is the multiples of 3. So what you have to write now, A equals to, here you can see, okay, here you can see the answer. If this is the question given, then in a set builder method you have to write x as that x is the first 5 multiples of 3. First 5 multiples of 3. Similarly, B equals to sides of ABC, triangle ABC. So what you have to write here, x as that B equals to x as that x is the side of C, side of triangle ABC. Similarly, another question, the set of the days of a week which starts from yes. So there are two different days. But what do you need to write in a set builder method is that simply whatever the statement is given, you have to write by starting with x as that x is a day beginning with yes. Similarly, question number 4, C equals to gram, kg, quintal, ton. So this is related to the measurement, no? Whenever you go to buy a chicken, you will be buying 500 gram or 1 kg, or maybe if you are doing any sort of festival, then a function in your home, then you will be buying a quintal or ton, no? So that depends upon the situation, how much amount of meat you want. So this is all about the measurement. X says that x is a unit used to measure quantity. So it is used for measuring a quantity. So this set builder method, did you understand?
Excuse me, teacher.
Yes.
Teacher, my electricity was gone, so I'm joining now.
Okay, those students who are having the problem, I will be recording this and I will send it to you as a link. Please you can see afterwards. Okay. Now question number 1, write the following set by the listing method. Set of the month English of the English calendar. So you have to write now P equals to, you will be writing, okay, P equals to curly bracket starting from January, then you will be going towards January to December. Yeah, so from January to December you have to write the set of in the listing method. Okay, since it is saying the listing method, so you have to write like this using the comma. Now set of all zones of Nepal. Can you name all zones of Nepal? Zones, okay, Naraini zone, Sagarmatha zone is there, Veri zone is there. So you can write the name of all zones of Nepal by the listing method by using the comma. Okay, now I would like to
we should write January, February, or we should do dot only.
No, you have to write all. I'm saying this one, that this January you have to write, then you have to write February. All you have to write it properly. For here, I'm just giving you the example only so that you will understand. Okay, not like this only you have to write. You have to write everything.
Now only writing.
No, not now. Who is this?
Yuvisa.
Yuvisa, what happened to you? I'm not giving you the classwork now. I'm just saying giving you the solution. This is the solution. How you have to do in your copy. Okay. If we talk about another question. R, the set of letters. So all the students, please listen to me very carefully. That here we are doing some class work also. Until and unless we finish this solution first, I won't be giving you the classwork, no. So don't ask that you have to write or not. If you wanna write, then okay, no problem. Writing is very good, but you have to understand it first. And mathematics, you have to understand it first. Okay, R equals to set of letters of the word Kathmandu. So you have to write set of letters of the word Kathmandu means K, comma, A, comma, T, comma, H, comma, M, comma, N, comma, N, comma, D, comma, U. Then curly bracket closed. Like that you have to write.
Teacher, we have to repeat or not?
Is there any word here that is repeated? A, no? A. So A you should not repeat, okay? Because elements means if one time you will be writing, then that can be repeated, no? So you don't have to repeat it, just you have to write elements of you have to write like this: K, comma, A, comma, T, comma, H, comma, M, comma, A, comma, cut.
Teacher.
Yes.
Sir, A is repeated again.
N,
Yes, teacher.
comma, D, comma, U. Understood now?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, sir, we cannot write 8 2 times.
One.
Yes, teacher.
Yes.
Teacher, we can write 8 2 times.
No, 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 no. The same element is not repeated, no.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, can you listen to me?
Yes, teacher.
So what
Yes,
I'm
teacher.
saying,
Yes, teacher.
what I'm saying, did you understand that?
Yes, teacher.
The same
Yes,
element
teacher.
is not to be repeated, okay? Here is the same element, so we don't need to repeat it again. We have already written A. This is the element of R. Sorry, I have not written set R. Set R equals to curly bracket K, comma, A, comma, T, comma, H, comma, M, comma, N, comma, D, comma, U, and curly bracket closed. So this is the set of letters of the word Kathmandu. Like that you have to write. Are you clear now? May I go to question number 2?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, so
Teacher.
write the following by the description method. Now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This, how will you describe it? Anyone? Can you describe it?
The set of describe.
The set
set
of first
of
6 natural
Number.
numbers.
Yes.
The set of
The set of
numbers
less
than 7.
than 7.
A
A set
equals
of-
Set of
to,
natural numbers less than 7.
listen,
Set
listen,
of
how would
less
you write? Listen, how
natural
would you
number
write?
less than 7.
Natural numbers
The
less
set
than 7.
The set of natural number less than 7.
natural
natural numbers.
numbers. Like this you have to write and a curly bracket close. This is how you have to write in a descriptive method, description method, okay? So set A is given. Set A equals to the set of first 6 natural numbers. You can write it like this, or you can write here yes I x 6. Yeah, this one. Like this you have to write as a description method. So rest of the question I will give you as a homework. I'm just describing it now. If you go to question number 3, then you can see write the following set by using set builder method or rule method. Now rule method means we have to write x shows that, no? That is the rule. That is the rule in writing, in describing the set with the help of set builder method. So how you will be describing? K equals to Kathmandu is only given. So Kathmandu is the capital city of Nepal. So you can write K equals to X shows that X is the capital city of
Nepal.
Nepal. Yeah, like this you can write, because capital city is only one, no, that is only Kathmandu. So X is the capital city of Nepal. And how will you describe this? L equals to ORANZE. X shows that X is
Excuse me,
the,
teacher.
yes,
Teacher, from 1 to all number are natural number, or from 1 to 10 only they are natural number?
1 to all numbers are the natural number. 1 going forward to the infinity, all are natural numbers.
Okay, teacher.
Okay, now L equals to ORANG. These are the letters of word
Orange.
word orange. Very good.
Orange.
You have to write like that. Similarly, 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49. So if I say here like okay, let me write here. This is the 1 is the square of 1. 4 is the square of 2, isn't it? And 9 is the square of 3, isn't it? Yes or no?
Yes, teacher.
Similarly, 16 is the square of 4.
4.
Similarly, 5 is the square of
5 of
25 is the
25.
square of 25. Similarly, 36 is the square of 6. Similarly, 49 is the square of 7. Now you can see these all are, this question has been given, these all are the squares of these three numbers, these 7 numbers. So how you will be writing is, now yum equals to, in a set builder method, yum equals to curly bracket, yux says that yux is the square of first 7 natural numbers. Look, understood how you have to write x is that x is a square of first 7 natural numbers, because these are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. That means these are the first 7 natural numbers, and square of first 7 natural number is 1 4 9 16 25 36 49. Understood?
Yes,
Understood
teacher.
or not?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, let me give you the question as your classwork now. Please do this question number 2 now as your classwork. Question number 2, E and F. Do D and E, not E and F. Do D and E.
Teacher, D and E.